We are so excited to share to you this next project, the autumn theme floral arrangement using the products that Sola Wood Flowers gave us. So they sent us these beautiful decors, the Bloom Burgundy, 100 random assorted flowers. They're so beautiful and delicate. And this wood barrel planter, which is perfect for the farmhouse enthusiast. So first we are going to place the floral foam inside the barrel. I added a driftwood which I think adds interest to the arrangement. Then, I'm using a bamboo stick as a stem to the flower. You can secure it with hot glue. Then arrange the flowers and use the Bloom Burgundy as a filler to add depth to the floral arrangement. Arrange the flowers accordingly and remember to just have fun doing it. By the way, Sola Wood Flowers is amazing products that you can use on your next DIY projects, wedding bouquet, decors for your farmhouse, and more. You can check it at solawoodflowers.com. So aside from these natural wood color flowers, they actually have these colored flowers that you can choose from, or you can color the flowers using their dye products. They actually sent us a dye in cranberry color, but I decided to use the original flowers. Anyways, if I get bored with this arrangement, then I can use a dye and rearrange this. So there you go, my autumn theme floral arrangement using Sola Wood Flowers. Don't forget to check solawoodflowers.com. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel so that you'll get updated. And who knows, I might be rearranging these flowers for the Christmas season. Thanks for watching!